Hey guys, and welcome back to the Blind Bartender YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some delicious lemonade for your holiday weekend. So what we're going to be using in this recipe is our infused, cheap strawberry watermelon vodka and country time lemonade. If you want to know how to make the vodka like we have it here, there's another video on the channel about strawberry watermelon vodka infusion. Feel free to go check that one out. So we're gonna start here with our pitcher, and we're gonna get about 14 cups, these cups of country time in our pitcher. I know it's a lot, but we're using a lot of vodka and a lot of water. Not so much though. Now, if you're serving right away, it's best to put this over ice when you're pouring your lemonade. We're not serving this one right away, it's going in the fridge, so I'm using 100% water. Next, you want to take your vodka. Now, this is kind of like, it's all preference based. It's how messed up you want to get. I like to go about a quarter of the container. So that's what we're gonna do. But it's gonna look a little higher because we gotta count for the lemonade. So it'll be a quarter from the bottom of the lemonade. And that's about where you wanna be with your lemonade. Now, your vodka. Now you're gonna wanna take a spoon of any kind, it really doesn't matter. And make sure the vodka and lemon mix gets stirred in just a little bit. You wanna, this all isn't gonna mix into the vodka, no way. But you just wanna give it a little mix. You see it's already starting to turn pink all the way through? That's what we're going for. So next you'll take your water. We have a water filter here, so I'm gonna just use the sink. Now if you're not using the strawberry watermelon vodka from the video, this will be yellow. But the strawberry and watermelon, make this one pink. Now you're gonna make sure to get all the powder from the bottom that got stuck from the first run with the vodka. And you gotta stir it up really well. And there you have it. Strawberry watermelon vodka for your holiday weekend. Make sure you drink responsibly, don't drink and drive, and have a great weekend.